West Bengal, an Indian state blessed with distinct culture, lifestyle, a colorful variety of pristine landscapes, and heritage attractions. Sundarbans, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is home to the Royal Bengal tiger. Coastal areas like Digha and Mundarbani are popular tourist places in this state. Places like Bishnupur, Bakura, and Shantiniketan showcase the rich cultural heritage of the state. Darjeeling, Kalimpong, Labha. The list is endless. Its capital, Kolkata, is as cosmopolitan a city as any. While industrialization and tourism has brought in job opportunities and financial influx, it has also adversely affected the environment and heritage sites. Careless disposal of plastic, improper waste management practices by informal sector has affected human lives and biodiversity in West Bengal. Plastics being dumped into the Ganges have been flowing into Sundarbans. With no value for it, the plastic gets burned sometimes, causing respiratory problems, heart disease, and brain cancer. But there is hope. If we create a recyclable value for this plastic waste, we might be able to change the dumping trend. And that's exactly what Recycle has achieved through India's first digital marketplace for plastic and e-waste. Recycle has partnered with urban local bodies, waste management agencies, and upgraded the informal sector workers to understand the value they can earn from plastic waste. Recycle's digital marketplace helps traders connect with pan-India network of recyclers and get the best rates to make profitable deals. Many national and local brands have now started supporting this initiative. The digital traceability and transparency in disposal of plastic on the marketplace has made Recycle a preferred EPR partner for these brands. There is now a seamless ecosystem that thrives on the value derived from waste plastic. An ecosystem that helps the local environment prosper, that helps West Bengal maintain its cultural beauty.